Right, day 27. Blown account. Really disappointed with myself today, to be honest. But we'll get into that. So this was markets just opened. This trade could have gone either way, to be honest. I mean, it was like the fucking Italians during World War II. I mean, it just could have run either which way. Yeah, it did go down. We got that retest and rejection of the 100 EMA. So I was pretty confident, to be fair, that this was a short, but obviously with the opening volatility in the market, you know, yes, I never really usually trade the open like this, but so I don't really know why I did today. I think today I found myself asking why a few too many times. So yeah. Right, this one looking for a quick scalp to the upside, but it hit my take profit before I can move it up. So yeah, positive trade, but nothing much to it, to be fair. So this one took the trade on the ES. So we had this big dump at open, and yeah, we're just recovering now. We broke above VWAP. Quite a tight trade, but it's the ES Mini. So yeah, kind of probably shouldn't have taken the trade on the Mini just in case, because we are trying to scale down our contract sizes. But no, I was quite happy with this trade. We got out. I think it was a $200 trade. So yeah, very happy with that because we did a little bit of silliness that I didn't record on natural gas. I don't know why I'm trying to trade natural. I don't know why I'm doing it. I haven't got a clue. But yeah, I don't really know what happened with it. But yeah, so that was a nice little recovering trade for us. So I actually recorded that voiceover sort of as just after I'd taken that trade, and listening to it now is a steaming pile of fucking foreshadowing that I have ever heard before in my life. Another positive trade here though, just looking for the continuation to the downside. But yeah, trading the fucking ES minis. Massive contracts sizes to come on the later trades, just fucking pointless. Right, so with regards to this one, obviously looking at gold, 1 minute chart, felt as though we were making a bit of a bull flag going on. We did hold the 100 EMA previously, but we didn't really see too much of a rejection off of it. So I'm just sort of anticipating a breakout there of this. Sort of a bull flag, sort of like a failed bull flag at first, and then we do end up breaking out. Yeah, so this one was actually pretty frustrating because we spiked up really nicely, and just given how choppy the market's been, I moved my stop loss up into profit, and then just no continuation at all, just chopping back down, and it just comes and stops me out in profit, to be fair. But we were up like 90 quid or something, which doesn't seem like a lot, but obviously when you're only trading 2 micros, it's not bad. You know, 90 quid's pretty decent. I think we ended up getting stopped out for like, I don't know, I think it was like, I think it might have been less than 20. I don't really. Oh no. Oh yeah, there you go. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, so I moved my, yeah, there you go. So I moved my take profit up because, you know, we look at that. Wick into my fucking take profit. It just won't fill me. Yeah, so realistically looking for a retest of VWAP. Don't really know why I bothered with this one. Market's seen more chop than a fucking kitchen knife today. Again, Nasdaq, this one 1 minute chart, still with the smaller contract sizes. So, but just massive candles. Look at the size of those candles, man. You know, we're only trading two micros, and we end up getting stopped out by like 200 quid or something daft. But realistically, in that range, I mean, where else can you put your stop loss? But at the same time, why would you trade that range? But yeah, anyway, stops me out and then literally flies straight up. Pretty much, you know, not too long after. So, a bit annoying. Right, yeah. Yeah, so pretty much we blew our account. Not here though. Not in this bit of price action we didn't, but we took some negative trades here. But again, the ES, why the mini ES, why are we trading that? So essentially, we just went on tilt, usual shit, bigger contract sizes, taking shorts after being stopped out of longs, taking longs after being stopped out of shorts. Basically, the market was just chopping, non-stop chop. We increased the contract sizes on the gold, so obviously you're getting stopped out much bigger. We were trading the ES, we were trading them at the same time. So yeah, it's the discipline or lack of that's our issue at the minute. You know, we just didn't. I don't know. We ended up down by like 400 quid or something, and then it was just like, oh, just go for it. So not good. But new account tomorrow, start again.